tiny bit more towards you. One more like that. That's good.
This rain's gonna stop. It's gonna be time to shed the sweatshirt here in a hurry. Oh boy.
This is Ryan. And this is John. This is me.
Oh, you need to come up a little bit.
So 325,000 Teslas have been ordered.
That big of a jump since 2 days ago?
Yeah, yeah.
Dude.
So Scott, what the heck are you doing?
Well, we're going to twist up this wire to put tension on this brace to pull this thing tight. So as we pull this wire stretching this way, it's going to want to pull this post over this way. So if we twist this up, it's going to pull this one and this brace into here. So when you stretch the wire, it's going to try to pull this
Okay,
post
when you bring the fabric over,
yeah,
and
it's going to try to lean this over, but with the brace like this and twist it up tight, it's going to have to pull both of these braces, which just makes it a lot stronger so they won't fall over.
okay, well, I'm impressed by how tight that thing gets.
It can get so tight that it can pull posts out of the ground.
Oh,
if you go too far. So you just want to put just enough on there to sturdy it up. Go a little more.
okay, yeah, I can see it bending now.
Yeah.
I can see this pole bending. Okay.
Yeah, it's got a little.
Then you're going to take that wire fabric right over there, and you're going to hook it onto two come-alongs over to here, and that's going to pull that back a little bit. I got it,
It'll
yeah.
pull it back that way a little bit too. And
Okay.
Straight.
Okay, I think this post straightened up just a little bit now. Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more on the bottom, Jason.
How's that feel?
Let's look at this post. Yeah, a little more on top. Okay. Let's do a couple more on the bottom. Good. That'll work. Okay.
Oh, that's how you do it, huh?
Yeah.
You cheat. Make a mark. Maybe that's why I can't get my gate just perfect.
Well, these adjust up and down, so you didn't have that luxury.
Right. That's a good excuse.
Tighten it down.
Yeah.